Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine color easy guide. Start by choosing grape varieties with desired pigment and decide whether to crush or whole cluster ferment immediately. Control maceration time and temperature to increase or limit extraction, and monitor pH and sulfite levels to stabilize hue. Use gentle pump-overs or punch-downs for balanced color and tannin integration, while tasting periodically to avoid overextraction. Finish with proper clarification and bottle conditioning for stable color. In this video, I will explain how to make wine color easy guide. Begin cold, soaking crushed grapes at low temperature to boost pigment pickup gently. When fermentation starts, manage temperature ramps to extract color while controlling tannin harshness. Use daily punch-downs or gentle pump-overs to keep skins immersed and evenly extract anthocyanins. Taste frequently and adjust maceration length based on color intensity and mouthfeel you want for the finished wine. In this video, I will explain how to make wine color easy guide. Quick recommendation: while you're tasting and cleaning up, consider a small comfort like Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after winery trips. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make wine color easy guide. Check and adjust pH early, because lower pH favors brighter red hues and color stability. Manage sulfite additions to prevent oxidation that can dull color while avoiding overuse that flattens aroma. Evaluate fining and cold stabilization to remove compounds that cause premature browning, and taste after each treatment to ensure color and flavor remain balanced before bottling for long-term storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.